Let us learn how to add details of your team members to your website. Log into the Boost app and tap on Website on the bottom navigation. Under the Content section, you will find the option to add projects and teams. Tap to continue. On the next screen, select the team listing option. Tap on the Add icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. In this section, you can easily add the member details like photos, name, designation, Facebook profile, Twitter profile, and Skype profile. Tap on Save to continue. Let's see how the team member now appears on your website. Tap on the menu and then tap on the About section. Now tap on Our Team to continue. You can now see the details of all the team members you have added on this page. For quick access, the Add a Team Member option is also available under the Daily Actions on the home page.